Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great and taking care of yourself and your family members also. So today what happened was I did not give the prelims mock test because today I practiced pre-level questions from some PDFs and I have just somewhat changed the strategy that one day I will practice the prelims level questions and the next day I will give the prelims mock because there is no meaning of giving the mock if we are not practicing the pre-level questions and the prelims exam is near now. So you also should practice prelims level questions, like keep a separate slot for prelims level question practice. Okay, I have also done this in today's schedule, and from today what I am going to do is I have separated maths and reasoning. Like tomorrow I will practice maths questions and the next day I will devote the next day to reasoning, because now it will become very hectic if we keep doing the same thing which we were doing the previous days as the exam is near. So we have to shift our focus to prelims. Okay, so I have made a small change in the strategy. You can also use it according to your preparation and your level. Okay, so this is tomorrow is 30 May, and first I will cover the daily current affairs, plus I will revise weekly current affairs of previous months, and for both these things I am following Affairs Cloud, like their video source plus their PDF course also. Okay, if you want to purchase the PDF course, I will give you link in description, and by using my code you will get extra 10% discount for their current affair course. Now tomorrow I have devoted tomorrow for maths practice. So tomorrow I will practice two mains level DIs, and if you are unable to find mains level DIs, I will give you link of a channel, and in that channel it is quite new but the level of the questions is very good. Okay, kindly give it a try, and after watching one or two videos you will automatically understand the level of the questions, and I can guarantee you that you will love the content. Now then I will practice arithmetic questions, plus I will practice DIs of the same arithmetic chapters. Okay, and for this also you will find many arithmetic chapter DIs in the channel, in the link of the channel which I will give you. Okay, so this you can do. Then I will solve prelims level questions tomorrow also, because I am weak in some topics of prelims, so I need to brush up my concepts. So today I solved the prelims level questions. Tomorrow also I will solve prelims level questions, plus I will give one prelims mock test. Then editorial plus vocab and current affairs we have to cover daily, because these are the things which are to be covered daily. So I will read the editorial and vocabulary, and then I will read banking awareness. So for banking awareness I am using Adda PDF, and as you all keep asking that provide the link of the Adda PDF, so I want to tell you is that that PDF is included in their Bank Prime series or something pack is there. So I purchased that pack for mock test, and this PDF is free in that mock test pack, and I can't share it because it is a paid PDF. So kindly understand, I have told you the source, and if you want then you can go for Kapil Sir's video on YouTube. Otherwise you can download any other PDF from Google for banking awareness. Okay, then I will revise quadratic equation notes. I have made some notes for quadratic equation, and today after solving the prelims level questions there were some big number quadratic equations, like the numbers were very big. So for the big numbers I had written some notes in which a trick was there to solve these type of questions. So tomorrow I will revise my quadratic equation notes. Okay, and just keep doing it. Focus on your weak areas in the prelims and try to revise them, try to practice them more, because this is the only way to increase your marks in the prelims. Then extra is, I have written something extra because we have to do puzzles daily. So my first priority would be to solve two mains level puzzles, and then if I have any other time left, I will watch 2 videos of 1000 puzzles, because I need to improve my puzzle section as it is somewhat weak. So this is for tomorrow's to-do list, okay? And the video became long today, but it was necessary to give you all a genuine thing which I am going to do, because there is no meaning of that I keep posting something else other than what I am doing. So I have told you that I have made a small change in the strategy from now on. Okay, you can also follow this. If you are following me genuinely, then you can also go for it, as I am doing this from my point of view, because the prelims is near. Okay, and from many days we are doing the mains level questions, as like we are doing it from 1.5 months now, the mains level questions. So now we need to shift our focus to prelims level questions. And if you need any suggestion, then I will tell you that try to practice the questions, the number of questions which come in exam. Like try to practice the questions in the same slots, like 10 mixed arithmetic questions daily, and then 3 to 4 DIs of prelims, and then 10 simplification, 10 approximation, 10 number series, like 10 wrong number series, 10 missing number series. Okay, and then yeah, maths, it is for maths. Then for reasoning, what you have to do, try to solve 10 questions of syllogism daily, and then 3 to 4 questions of directions, 3 to 4 questions of prelims level blood relations, and then 4 to 5 questions of alphanumeric series, and try to solve 10 to 12 prelims level puzzles. Okay, if you are unable to find the material, then you can go for the online PDFs. Just write on Google prelims level practice for bank exam, and many PDFs will be there. As I have read in some comments that Exam Pundit website is also providing some daily stuff for prelims level practice. So if you want it, you can go for that also. Otherwise, there are some other PDFs, or you can practice from your mocks also. And plus many YouTube sessions are there to practice for prelims. So there is no shortage of prelims level practice, and please shift your focus to prelims, as the competition is going to be very high in prelims this time, because the seats are very less. Okay, so don't take it lightly. Try study for it very sincerely, because don't think that I will read for prelims like for 10 days and I will clear it. Many aspirants who are clearing the prelims from 3 to 4 years, last time they failed in the prelims. Okay, so try to understand this thing and try to practice prelims level questions from now on. I am not saying that you should stop solving mains level questions, but try to shift your focus towards prelims also. This is all what I wanted to tell you, because if we keep doing mains and if we fail in prelims, then there is no meaning to prepare for mains. So take it seriously, and please don't waste your single minute of your day. Okay, whenever you are wasting your time, a thing is running in the back side of your mind that I need to study, I am wasting my time, and you keep regretting about the day, like I wasted my today, as I not studied today. A feeling of regret keeps coming in our mind, but we are that much stubborn that we don't care to study, we just keep regretting. And this is the time when you have to save yourself from the procrastination. Okay, just there is only one way to stop the procrastination, is start now. If you are procrastinated, just pick up your books and start studying. Okay, this is the only way to come out from the tsunami of this procrastination. Okay, oh, today's video will became very long, so sorry for that. And that's all for today's schedule. Okay, as I went in the flow of my thoughts and I kept speaking, so I forgot. So that's all. Thank you and have a nice day.